Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bacon chili cheeseburger, twice baked potatoes. Okay guys, I'm starting out to have 2 pounds of ground beef that I browned up and I drained off the excess grease. Now to this I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to go for probably about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright. And for anybody who's wondering, that's King Arthur, and now you hear going off the clock. I'm just going to stir this around. Now I'm going to add in a 10.5 ounce can of chili with no beans. You could do beans if you like, but we're not doing any beans today. I'm just going to stir this in there. My ground beef is still warm, and the burner I have this on is still warm, so that'll help warm this chili. Alright guys, now that I have my ground beef and chili all mixed together, I have it set aside. I have 9 large potatoes here baked at 400 degrees for 1 hour. I just set them right on the rack, and I put knife holes in the tops so they didn't split all over the place. And I left them cool for a while, guys, so I could handle them. I'm going to cut them right in half. And I'm going to go in here with a spoon, and I'm going to spoon out the potato filling, but you don't want to go all the way down because you want to have a little potato left in there, or your potato skins will just collapse on you. Alright guys, now that I have all my potatoes pulled out of the shells, and I have it in the bowl here, we're going to season this up. I'm going to start by putting in some butter. I'm going to put in a half a stick of butter, and I'm just going to cut it down into little chunks, that way there it'll mash up a little easier. Now I'm going to add in, let me find my towel and wipe my hand. I'm going to add in a cup of sour cream. And this is a 2-cup container, I'm just eyeballing it. I probably should have went with a little bit of a bigger bowl, guys. But I don't feel like dirty and extra dishes, so we're going to make this one work. And I'm just going to save this spoon to stuff my potatoes with. Yes, Dexter. We hear you, buddy. Now I'm going to put in about a half a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic salt. Now if you're on a low sodium diet, guys, you could just put garlic powder in here, but anybody who knows me knows I like my salt in my food. Big chunk there, that's done, we'll get that. Now I'm also going to add in about a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Because we're going to put more cheese on top, guys, so we don't have to go crazy with the cheese inside. Now I'm going to get in here on low with my electric mixer and just mix everything together until we get it to like a mashed potato consistency. Alright guys, now I have all my potato filling mixed together, and this isn't all of the potato shells I got. Here's the other tray, guys. So I got a lot of them, so we don't have to worry about using up this potato filling. Now I'm going to fill one for you guys, and then I'll do it off camera so I don't have to keep you here forever. You just want to smear your potato mixture just about up to the top of the potato. Then I'm going to take some of that chili burger stuff we made and just mush it down in there. And then I'm going to take more of that cheese and just put that on top. Right like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill up all of my shells, and when I get them done, I'll bring it back. Okay, now that I have all my potatoes filled with the cheese and the meat and the potato filling, I'm going to put them in a 375 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes till they're heated through and the cheese is melted. Alright guys, these are done. They went for 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. 2 halves are serving, 1 potato. Now I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of bacon that I baked up in the oven, crumbled up. You guys didn't think I'd let it go with just the potato. And I'm going to also garnish it with some green onion. Alright guys, let me dig in here and give this a try. You see, these guys are loaded. It's really good, guys. You get the chili ground beef. You get the cheesiness. You get the creaminess of the mashed potatoes, and you taste that sour cream in there. The bacon and the freshness of the green onion. That's really delicious, guys. Alright, there you have it. Bacon chili cheeseburger, twice baked potatoes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.